Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this printer here. This is the Itari M08F. It's a wireless tattoo stencil printer for tattoo transfer machine thermal copier with 10 pieces of transfer paper included, with Bluetooth Stencil-Printer for tattooing. It's compatible with smartphone and personal computer, and of course you can print not only tattoos with that, it's also possible to print standard thermal paper or thermal copies with that, for example. And of course you can scan with it too. It's a really cool device, really cool. It's available in black, in gray, in green, in silver, and in white. Lightweight and wireless design comes here. Weighing only 2 pounds. The MOF thermal printer for tattoos are only 60% smaller than traditional tattoo transfer machines out there, providing convenience and easy of use for tattoo artists on the go. This stencil printer's wireless design eliminates the need for a charging cable, allowing us to work freely and without restrictions. And it's an all-in-one printer. The stencil printer supports Bluetooth connection for iOS and Android phones, and it supports USB connection for Windows, as you can see, macOS and Chrome operation system. The Itari Tattoo Stencil Printer can also print normal thermal paper. It supports a wide range of file formats: Word, Excel, PPT, text, JPG. That means one printer, multiple values. And for the powerful app, it comes with tattoo printer for tattooing. It comes with a powerful app itself. This enables us to print images and documents with just one click. We can edit, add, adjust, and output the stencil image easily. The app will update various patterns from time to time for us users' references to provide us with inspirations. And with a high-quality transfer here, the Itari M08F tattoo transfer printer utilizes advanced thermal technology to print clear patterns. We say goodbye to ink blockage and cleaning problems. This is allowing us to focus on creating high-quality temporary or permanent tattoos for our clients, meanwhile saving energy and protect the environment. And it looks really cool because it is battery powered. That means if you charge it by using the USB cable, you can charge it with an AC power supply. For example, your smartphone AC power supply, or a computer, or a laptop, or a Mac, or a power pack and power bank, and so on. Because it's USB, then it's really easy to operate with this. That means we can download the app, and then we can pair it by using Bluetooth with our phone or tablet and so on. And if they are paired, or you use the wired connection with USB to your computer, for example, then you can start with it easy peasy. And it's really easy. You have transfer printer paper. In this case, it is tattoo ink transfer paper. So we have 3 lines, or it's our 4 layers. The first layer we have to remove, and then we can attach the paper into the printer easily. You can see it's really easy. We have to do is we switch on the device, and then we pull the yellow side upward to the printer, as seen here. You do not have to open the printer, and then the printer will automatically line up your page. Job's done. You can see that. Here we are. Job's done. And then we can start creating and transfer the documents to the printer and start a printing job. We can print our design onto the stencil paper quickly, just in a few easy steps. Greatly improve work efficiency. The app will update various patterns from time to time for us. That's good for inspiration and so on. And of course, it's really easy. Remove the protective page. This is the transparent white sheet. We insert the transfer paper with the yellow paper facing up. If you have standard transfer paper, there will be letters on it that there is an upper side, and this is then the yellow. Okay, the yellow side or the upper side we have to place up, then get it into the printer, and step number 3, we open the printer, we download the Phonemo app, Phonemo, and connect it via Bluetooth in the app or via USB cable for our personal computer. Then we cut out the pattern and transfer it onto the skin with stencil ointment. Really easy, huh? That's really cool, huh? And of course, we can make a lot of pattern printing. The M08F thermal printed tattoo can print simple lines, complex lines, totem patterns. It cannot print complex shadows, dark backgrounds, or color drafts. Of course, that's not possible because it is an help to make a tattoo, or it is a temporary tattoo, but without that. Then we can connect it with our phone. We download the Phonemo app, we turn on the Bluetooth in our phones, and turn on the machine by pushing 3 seconds on the machine switch on and off knob. We enter the app and click Uncount button on the right upper corner and find the M08F A4 model and click to finish the connection. And then we can start, easy peasy. We according to the complexity of the pattern to adjust. When I'm printing a light or line pattern, we choose the dark options in the print density. When we print darker or complexity patterns, we choose the light or the moderate options in the printing density. And then it helps us to make really cool tattoos. And not only tattoos are possible, of course, we can print with a lot of documents with transfer papers with the Itari M08F wireless tattoo stencil printer. It's a tattoo transfer machine, and it makes thermal copies, and included are 10 pieces of transfer paper. With Bluetooth, Stencil-Printer for tattooing, it's compatible with smartphone and personal computer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.